Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. This is sites.google.com and to duplicate a page, first enter one of your websites. Let's enter this website for example. To duplicate a page in Google Sites, it's simple. Just go to pages from this corner, then click on these three dots next to the page you want to duplicate and select duplicate page. Give your new duplicated page a name. Let's keep it copy of stories and updates. Hit done. But before that, you can also edit the address or the custom path of this duplicated page. Let's give it the name duplicated and hit this. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And hit done. This is your newly duplicated page, and to publish these changes, just hit this publish button from this corner. Click again on this publish button. And as you can see, your site has been published successfully. Let's view my website. This is my new duplicated page. And as you can see, this is the address I've selected for this new page. This is how to duplicate a page in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.